Hey guys, it's Fernando from the SDFC, and today we're making scrambled egg tacos. This is a quick recipe that should take 10 to 20 minutes. We're going to start by warming up a large skillet on medium heat. Peel and dice 2 cloves of garlic. Rinse and drain a 15-ounce can of black beans. In our heated skillet, add roughly 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Drop in our strained and drained black beans. Slide in our garlic. Add half a teaspoon of cumin and freshly ground pepper, and salt to taste, and paprika. Mix it all up. While those flavors get to know each other, we're going to crack 8 eggs into a bowl and scramble them. We're going to set the eggs aside and add a couple handfuls of spinach, about 4 cups. Salt our eggs to taste. Squeeze half a lemon into the skillet and pick out any seeds that got away. And start warming up a second pan for our eggs and another for our tortillas. We're going to grab a 1/3 cup of cilantro and chop it finely. Add a dash of olive oil to your egg pan and spread it around before adding your eggs. Fold your eggs to keep them nice and fluffy. Fun tip, corn tortillas have an inside and an outside. The rougher, almost grainy side is the inside, while the smoother side is the outside. Keep folding your eggs and flip your tortillas. Now serve up your tacos. Start with a layer of eggs, then add our beans and spinach, and top with cilantro and shredded cheese. And now just serve it up. Thanks everyone for watching. Hope to see you around.